Alright guys, so we're back on this curbside snapper. We got our throttle cable in the mail. It was a little bit long, so I had to trim it. And so I had to put in a new little hook on the end of it. And what I like to do is double check and recheck on the mower and then mark it out with a Sharpie on the cable where you want it. And then you have to carefully cut the cable with a metal saw here. Carefully cut the cable with a metal saw, and you just work your way around and cut the cable, and then you go put it back on the mower, and then you mark out where you want your little Z-bend here to end and start. And then once you feel confident in that, go to like a Michael's or a craft store near you and pick up a pair of jeweler's pliers. They're just a pair of needle nose pliers that are rounded. And when you have the torch heated up and get it glowing hot, then you just bend it to the shape you want while it's still hot, and then you let it cool, and then you're done. But these things are a lifesaver. And yes, the handles are pink, but you try doing that with a pair of needle nose pliers and making it look that good. So I'll mount this thing back up on the mower and get it all buttoned up, and then maybe we should do a mowing video here. Alright, so we got it mounted on the mower. It works just great. There's the tail, there's full choke. I might have done it, it might be a little bit long, but I mean, it serves its purpose and it looks okay. It is a little bit short, maybe. I mean, it works just great. And this is how much I had to take off that, and then probably another piece about that long. That was also that part of the Z-bend, and then so that's how long we had to take it off. And I was looking at this old manual I got, and you can see the throttle control is on the inside of the handlebars up there, and then the cable runs along and goes to the engine there. So all the ones I have, it's always been mounted on the outside, and whenever I mow in the front yard, it hits the hedge and it instantly kills my mower while I'm trying to mow against this edge. So maybe that'll help me in the future here. But I need to retune it because now I have the throttle cable, and once we do that, we will button up a couple more things. I also got a new handle in the mail too. Shiny. So that was a Briggs part number as well, since Briggs owns Snapper. Snapper is, or hasn't been, Snapper for quite a while. And I'll also maybe find a new front wheel. And I'm kind of thinking maybe straighten out the original housing here instead of using that other one I have. If I can't get it to look good, then I'll reuse it, but I'd rather keep as much original things on it as possible before I go and restore it. Of course, we're going to be restoring this model first, and of course I don't have the right bag for it, but everything else I do have for it. So we'll be doing that, and look out for that in a future video. But in the meantime, let me button things up on this old thing. Alright, so as promised, here is a mowing video with the curbside snapper, and it's been several weeks since I filmed the previous video clip, and I think I've worked out all the kinks in it, but I guess we'll find out here as it is cold. So here we go. It's cold. Alright guys, that is the last one on the curbside snapper here. If you'd like to see more mowing videos, I suppose, hit that like button and leave a comment below. And until then, I'll catch you guys next time. And my video output might be a little slower than usual because I need to do some cleaning up around the place. And as you might know from watching my other videos, I'm graveling my side yard with the help of that old rototiller, which I did sell, and it was kind of a, I don't know, I wasn't sad to see it go, because that thing will give you a workout, but at the same time I was kind of sad, because that is a handy machine to have. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. Also, congratulations to us, we have reached 70 subscribers, so 70 people like to see what I do, which is kind of an eye-opener. But anyway, I'll shut up now. Thanks guys.